Big up everybody worldwide, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I hope everybody's feeling excellent. I know I am, because today I get to detail a brand new Mercedes Benz AMG G-Wagon. It's gonna get its first wash, guys, so you don't know. Stay tuned for some awesome beats and some cool visuals. Alright my people, coming straight from the car dealership. Look at this grind, man. This is exactly why my client hit me up, to get his ride dialed in the right way, the Clean Car Chris way, you know what I'm saying? Tell them, say always, guys, sometimes the best time. Get it. check it out, guys. See how important it is to use high quality wash mitts and high quality soap. You know, look at this. It's just gliding around on the paint, guys. That's what you want. You want good lubrication on the surface and a high quality wash mitt. And just glide the mitt around. That way you know you're not causing any damage to the paint. It's just nice and smooth. That's what you're looking for, guys. Clean car, Chris, set up. Boom. Alright guys, we have our drying aid here. It's time to dry off the vehicle. And once you do that, we can proceed to the interior. Yo, checking in. You don't know, we dried off the exterior of the vehicle. Now it's time to dry out the door jambs and just touch up the inside a bit. It's brand new inside, it's very clean, just a little dusty. But the owner, he actually asked me to steam clean inside a little bit just to sanitize it. You don't know, you just want everything to be dialed in. Perfect. Alright, if you guys never believe me, so this car is brand new, check it out. Still even have the sticker them. It's brand new things, guys. It's an awesome vehicle. If you guys like how this vehicle looks, drop some comments below, let me know what you think. do like the box method, come on the outsides, and then I'm gonna go down on the outside, and then on the inside, what I'm gonna do is flip the towel, do the same thing, box it out, and like I went down on the outside, I'm gonna go across on the inside. That way, guys, if you see any streaks or anything like that, if you see the streaks going like this, you know it's on the inside. If you see them going down like that, you know it's on the outside. Another tip by Clean Car Chris. Alright my people, the G-Wagon is all complete. It was a pleasure detailing such an awesome ride. If you don't know guys, I want you guys to smash that subscribe button, Analytics show. A lot of you are watching, but you're not subscribed. So if you don't know, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more hot content like this every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Check me out. Don't miss it.